Most people think you need expensive AI tools to create cinematic YouTube videos. Monthly subscriptions, paid editors, premium AI generators. But what if I told you, this entire video was created almost completely free using AI? No camera, no editing skills, no voice actors, no expensive software. Today, I'm going to show you the exact workflow I use to create long-form faceless AI videos using only 3 tools. ChatGPT for scripts, Google Gemini for images, VO3 for cinematic AI video generation. And the best part? Even complete beginners can do this. So if you want to build a faceless YouTube channel in 2026 without spending money, keep watching. Everything starts with one thing: the script. Most beginners fail because they try to create visuals first. But professionals always start with storytelling. So first, open chatgpt.com and paste this prompt. Now ChatGPT will generate the full script automatically. But here's where most people stop. And that's a mistake. Because now we'll use AI again to break the entire script into scenes automatically. This is the secret step that makes AI videos look professional. Instead of manually thinking about visuals, we let ChatGPT do it. Now paste your full script back into ChatGPT and use this prompt. And now ChatGPT will automatically turn your script into cinematic scene prompts. Now instead of creating prompts manually, you already have everything ready. Now we take those scene prompts and turn them into visuals. Open GeminiGoogle.com. Copy one image prompt from ChatGPT and paste it into Gemini. And within seconds, Gemini creates cinematic visuals for your video. Repeat this for all scenes. And now, you have an entire AI-generated movie. But static images alone are not enough anymore. To make videos look professional, we need motion. Open Flow Google. Upload the image generated by Gemini. And now add this motion prompt. And just like that, your static image becomes a cinematic AI video shot. This is literally how faceless AI channels are creating movie-quality content today. Now combine everything together. You already have the script, scene breakdowns, AI visuals, cinematic AI video clips. Next, add voiceover using CapCut or 11 Labs. Then place, narration, visuals, music on the timeline, and that's it. Your long-form AI video is ready. The best part about this workflow is that beginners can start immediately. No expensive setup, no editing skills, no camera, just ideas and AI. So stop waiting and start creating, because the next viral AI channel could literally be yours.